YouTube? How you doing? Hello. So here I am, chilling. Guys, that's my brother. Say hello.
Hi. Hello, what's up, YouTube?
Brother got jokes.
That's what you sounded like.
He got jokes. Today I will be doing a video on KineMaster. I'll be going over how to use it. I'm going to show you how to download it, what it looks like when you open it, how to create a new project, you know, how to mess with it. I'm going to go over KineMaster, review it. Tell me what you guys think. If you have any other requests on other videos, please let me know in the comment section down below. So yeah, let's jump into the video. Okay, so now we're going to go to the App Store. You're going to search up KineMaster. And then you're going to hit search. And then it's this app right here. You're going to click on it. And obviously you're going to hit install. I already pre-installed it, so that's why mine says open. After you install it, you're going to want to open it. And this is how it looks when you first open it. So this right here is just like a little welcome, showing you, you know, the features that include in this app. It's a really good app. I've used it before. And these are like, you know, help stuff. Shows you different aspects of the app and how to use it. You know, different features that you can edit up. It's up to you on the editing part. I usually just leave it alone. I don't mess with it. They also have a store. You could go to the store, check everything out. If you want to purchase anything, you could go right ahead. It's totally up to you. You know, it is free, but there are some features that you do have to pay for. You know, they have lots of options. Stickers, text, you know, different fonts, music, sounds. They have everything. I never purchased anything, but I've used it. So this circle right here, you're going to press plus. That's how you create a project. And this is what it looks like, your workspace. I don't know what all these buttons mean, but well, that's where you obviously import the media button. And they have layers, audio, voice, to do like voiceovers. They even have the capture button. You know, all these buttons do different things. I never really played around with it. I mean, if you're really into tech, go right ahead. The question mark tells you what everything is, explains everything in case if you're like me, you don't know what everything is. There you go. Go right ahead and click on that. In case you're working and you forget where the button is, there you go. Hope you enjoy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I rethought it. I'm gonna just split the video into different parts. So far I'm done with part 1. I'll be working on the next few parts, explaining the app in more depth soon. I'll be uploading them little by little. But please enjoy the series of KineMaster that I'm about to create. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Definitely subscribe. Enjoy my videos. Later.